Good evening, my dear students. Now we discuss about the one more topic. The topic is the antipsychotics. So, what is the meaning of the antipsychotics? What is the importance of the antipsychotics? Now we discuss. So, the antipsychotic drugs are used for the treatment of the major psychosis. So, major treatment of psychosis. These drugs are used for the treatment of psychosis. Treatment of the psychosis. So in this condition, these drugs are the reduce the disturbed behavior. This, what is this importance? It is the reduce the disturbed behavior. Disturbed behavior in our body. And the next one, reduce the agitation, reduce the agitation, reduce the agitation also. Antipsychosis means this, it is a treatment occurs in the psychosis and especially reduce the disturbed behavior. The psychosis means it is the, what is the meaning of the psychosis? The psychosis is the meaning, it is a serious mental disorder. It is a mental disorder. It is a mental disorder. And the next one, it is the it is behavior. The next one, behaviorally changes and physically is also changes in this particular psychosis. It was the psychosis is a treatment by the antipsychosis. So with the different types of drugs are there. So what are their classification? So it classified into several types. Number one is the phenothiazines. Phenothiazines. What are their phenothiazines? One is the chlorpromazine. Chlorpromazine. And number two is the promazine. And number three, chlorpromazine, promazine. Number three is the thyroridazone. Thyroridazone. And number four is the trifluoroprazine. Trifluoroprazine. And number four is the flupeprazine. So these drugs are the used for the these are drugs are used for the under classification is the phenothiazine. These drugs are used for the treatment of the psychosis. And the second one classification is the butyropinones. Butyropinones. So the butyropinones is example one. Number one is the haloperidol. Haloperidol. And the second one is trifluoperidol. Trifluoropyridol. And the next one, third classification, heterocyclics. Heterocyclics. So heterocyclics is the example is laxapine and pimazole. Laxapine and pimazole. And the next one, fourth one classification is the other miscellaneous drugs. Other miscellaneous drugs. So other miscellaneous drugs is olanzapine, risperidone, risperidone. These two drugs are useful for the treatment of psychosis. So these drugs are these number of drugs are used for the treatment of the psychosis. In here, first we discuss about the chlorpromazine. The chlorpromazine drugs. The chlorpromazine drugs is what is the importance of the chlorpromazine drugs, and the next one, what is the physical properties? It is a white creamed color powder. It is a white creamed color color powder. It is a white green color powder. And the next one, it is a, what is the molecular formula? C17H20 C17H20Cl2N2S. So this is the formula. What is the structure? It is structural. It made up of the three 6-membered rings. It made up of three 6-membered rings. Made up of three 6-membered rings. In here, these two are the completely benzene rings with the here chlorine molecule, and here sulfur molecule, here nitrogen molecule, and then the nitrogen molecule is bind to the alkyl ring CH2, CH2, CH2N, CH3 taken fries 2 into HCl. This is the structure of the chloropromazine. So the chloropromazine, it is used in the mental illness. It is used in the mental illness. So how to use in the mental illness? So by the what is the mechanism of action? So mechanism of action. So what is the mechanism of action? Chloropromazine is a depress the cerebral cortex. This drug are the used in the depress the cerebral cortex, depress the cerebral cortex and hypothalamus. It is the depress the which one areas? Cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, and as well as the limbic system also. Limbic system also depressed by. So it one is depress the cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, limbic system. Activity is the control activity of the aggregation. Also, these are all are the depressed by this particular antipsychotic drug. And as well as the in here, this one is produced by dopamine is also produced at the dopamine. Produce the dopamine at the synapses, transmission synapses means. So this one is already discussed on human anatomy and physiology. This is the structure. In here, this one is the neurons. This is the end neuron. This is the starting neuron. So in this movement, the transfer of the material from here to here means genetic, not particular transmission messages. Messages is the transfer from here to here. This one is a transfer to one by one. Here that movement in here, the messages are transferred. This psychosis is increases. At that moment in here, dopamine is produced. So the dopamine is blocks the messages, passage of the messages blocked by the dopamine. So dopamine is produces, and these are all are the depressed by this particular action. And in here produce the anticholinergic blocking action also produced here. So this is the mechanism of action. And the next one, this what is the dose of the drug? What is the dose of the drug? So the dose is the children dose. What is the adult dose? What is the adult dose? Adult dose is 10 to 25 mg. 10 to 25 mg. It is per a day 3 times. Per a day 3 times. And the next one, children dose is the 0.5 to 1 mg per kg body weight. 0.5 to 1 mg per kg body weight. And the next one, this dose is not extended to the 40 mg per a day. Sir, 400 mg per a day is not exceeded the 400 mg per a day. And this is about this particular dose of the chloropromazine drug. And the next one, what is the contraindications of this drug? What is the contraindications? Contraindications. So contraindications is the first of all hypersensitivity. This is a common for every drug, hypersensitivity. And the next one, liver impairment. And sometimes it going to coma also. Bone marrow also affected. bone marrow depression, and then these are all are the contraindications, liver diseases, cardiac diseases. These are all are occurred with this particular drug. And the next one, what is the side effects or adverse effects? So common side effects is the nausea, vomiting, dry mouth occur in our body, and weight gain also occur, and ECG, electrocardiogram is changes, means our CVS system also changes, and then sometimes cardiac arrest also occur, and blurred vision occur. So with this particular the drugs. And the next one, what is the pharmacokinetics? What is the pharmacokinetics? So the pharmacokinetics is this drug is administered through orally and distributed through the blood and body fluids, cerebrospinal fluid also, and this one is the well absorbed from orally, and metabolated in the liver, kidney also, metabolized in the liver and kidney. It cross the placenta and blood brain barrier also. It cross the blood brain barrier, placenta also. And then one is excreted through as a breast milk, urine, fecal matter. These are all are the excreted part of the pharmacokinetics. And the next one in here, what is the pharmacodynamics? So pharmacodynamics, several different types of pharmacodynamics are there. So what are the different types of pharmacodynamic characters? So pharmacodynamics means affected on the, first of all we discuss about the central nervous system. In central nervous system, the chlorpromazine drugs gives the psychosis patients to produce the psychomotor slowing. It is the slow of the psychomotor slowing, and emotionally decrease the anxiety, and decrease the anxiety. These are all are occur with a particular drug. And what about the autonomous nervous system, ANS? This drug mainly affect on the central nervous system and ANS system only. So the chlorpromazine drugs is the it is the block action of the acetylcholine. It block the acetylcholine. And the next one, what about the cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system, it depress the myocardially depress, it cause the hypotension, decrease the heart rate, decrease the BP, and it produce the hypotension. So the next one, ECG also changes. Electrocardiogram is the changes, means heart rate is the changes. So this is about the CVS. And the next one, what is the emetic action? Anti-emetic action. It is this drug is used as a chlorpromazine drug, used as it is a powerful anti-emetic drug. This is a powerful anti-emetic drug. And the next one, it show the local anesthetic action. It show the local anesthetic action also. So it affected on the skeletal muscle also. So it affected on the skeletal muscle. So in this condition, it affected on the skeletal muscle. In the particular, what about the endocrine system? So what about the endocrine system? In the endocrine system, it is inhibition of the ovulation. By this chlorpromazine drug. And the next one, write about the uses and role of nurse. That is your work. So thank you. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.